So today I'll be showing you how to fix the problem where you have a forgotten password, pin, or pattern, and you're basically locked out of your Galaxy Z Fold 7. So to do that, or to bypass that forgotten password, you're gonna have to go into recovery mode and hard reset your phone from there, and then you're gonna set it up afresh, but you're still going to need the password to the Google account that was originally on the phone. Okay, so it's a bit of a long process, but it works. You're going to regain access back to your phone. So that's if you cannot remember the password, pin, or pattern, and you're locked out of your Z Fold 7. Okay, now for that one, you're going to need two things. One is a computer, and then the other thing you're going to need is a data cable. Now, fortunately for me, I'm just going to use this Type-C to Type-C cable, which I have available because my computer has a Type-C port. Now, for those people with computers that don't have Type-C ports, then you can use any data cable. It could be Type-C to Type-A, doesn't matter. As long as you're able to connect it to your computer and it's a data cable. So there you go. I've connected mine just like that. And now the next step is to go into recovery mode. And to do that, we're going to long press two buttons. So you're going to long press the power button and volume down buttons until the phone goes off. So because currently you can see it's on. Okay. So until the phone goes off, and as soon as it goes off, we're going to release and then press power and volume up. We're going to press and hold those until the Samsung logo comes up on the screen. And as soon as that happens, we are going to release the power button and continue holding volume up. Okay. All this is with our phone connected to our computer. So let's do this. So power and volume down. So press and hold. Beg your pardon. If you see Gemini, it means you pressed one of the buttons a bit late. So let's try again. Press and hold. There you go. Just ignore what you see on the screen. Just keep holding. Keep holding. Phone goes off, so release and quickly press power and volume up and then keep holding. So at this point, we're waiting for the Samsung logo. There you go. So let go of the power button, continue holding volume up. And now that takes us into recovery mode. Okay, so I hope that was clear. So inside recovery mode, we're going to navigate using the volume rockers. So volume down to scroll down and volume up to scroll up. So you're looking for the wipe data / factory reset option. So once you have it highlighted, select using the side button or power button. And then it's going to tell you this will wipe all user data. So keep in mind that this is a factory reset and it's going to wipe all your user data. And you're going to have to set this phone up from fresh or from scratch. So scroll down to select factory data reset and then confirm by pressing the power button. And at the bottom of the screen, you will see data wipe complete. As soon as you see that, it means the process has been completed and now you need to reboot your system. So select Reboot System now, make sure it's highlighted and then press the power button to select that. Now you can unplug your cables, okay, and your phone should restart back to the beginning, the setup screen. Okay, so you can start setting up your phone, but keep in mind that you're still going to need your Google account password. Okay, so let's wait for it to boot to the start screen. You can now put the cable and laptop away. So there we go. We are on the setup screen. If I swipe up to unlock, well, it's going to ask for my SIM pin. So I'm just going to provide my SIM pin. And as soon as I do that, it's going to take us to the setup screen. So now let's start setting up our phone as usual. So select language and tap on start. Then you have your end user license agreement and privacy policy, just the normal stuff. Now at this point, you need to select setup manually. And then it's already saying an unauthorized attempt has been made to reset your device to factory default settings. connect to a Wi-Fi or mobile network to verify your identity. So I'm going to tap OK, connect my phone to Wi-Fi. And as soon as I connect it to Wi-Fi, it will ask for the passcode, the one we forgot. So it's currently getting the phone ready, so just be patient. So now it's asking for that password. Okay, so you're going to tap on use my Google account instead, and then it's going to ask you to enter the Google account that was originally on the phone. So enter the Gmail address and the password, and then tap on next. And once you provide the correct username and password, it's going to ask you, it's going to give you access to the phone, and it's going to ask you if you want to use that Google account. So if you want to use that same Google account, you can sign in again. Or now, since you've already gained access to your phone, you'll have the option to skip. So you can tap on skip and then confirm you want to skip that process. And then it's going to ask you if you want to copy apps and data from a different phone. Now, since you already have access, you can choose to copy or don't copy. It's up to you at this point. So then now it's going to ask you to add a Google account again. I can now tap on skip because I've already verified my identity. Now it's going to give me the option to put another password, which I can skip again and do it later. I'm just skipping all this process so we can regain our access into the phone fast before we do anything. So again, Samsung account, I can skip and do that later in settings. Skip, I'm just gonna skip through everything. Choose your light mode or dark mode. And now we wait. So it says I'm all set up, and as you can see, we have access back into our Galaxy Z Fold 7. Okay, now it's still going to download some of these apps, but the most important thing is we have access back into the phone without the password. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.